In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable the dark theme in Microsoft Outlook. If you've ever found yourself straining your eyes while working late nights or early mornings, you might find that switching to a dark theme can bring some relief. Not only does it help in reducing eye strain, but it can also offer a refreshing change from the usual bright interface. Let's get started on how you can quickly switch to this mode and enjoy a more soothing experience while using Outlook. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook. Once you've got Outlook open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. There you'll find a small gear icon which stands for Settings. Give that a click and you'll find yourself presented with a plethora of options that can customize your Outlook experience to your liking. Now, you want to navigate through these options and look for a section labeled General. This section is a sort of hub for many of the fundamental settings of Outlook. Clicking on General will open up several more options on your screen, giving you a clearer view of your customization possibilities. Within the general settings, now direct your attention to find Appearance. It might not be at the very top, so you might have to scroll a little bit until you do notice it. The Appearance section is where all the aesthetic magic happens in Outlook, allowing you to modify how the application looks and feels. Once you've found and clicked on Appearance, you'll be greeted with several visual theme options. Among these, one of the options should be Dock. Selecting this will instantly switch your Outlook interface into a sleek dark theme. And there it is, you've now successfully enabled the dark theme in Outlook. Switching to a dark theme doesn't just enhance the look, it can reduce the glare from your screen, which is especially helpful in low light environments. Plus, many find it easier on the eyes, which can be a major plus if you're staring at the screen for extended periods. Not to mention, it can give your Outlook a modern and stylish appearance, setting your interface apart from the traditional look. And there you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you've enabled the dark theme and are ready to experience Outlook in a whole new way. As you continue your work or browsing, enjoy the comfort and aesthetic appeal the dark theme provides. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide useful, be sure to check out our other tutorials. Have a great